When I was a kid, memories weren't made at big theme parks or big vacations. They were made right at home here in Denison, Texas. And I must have passed by our latest listing that we're about to show you thousands and thousands of times. This was my dream home and a lot of my friends' dream home growing up. We played tag, tackle football, capture the flag, hide and seek, all of that right around the corner, and even went to middle school just a couple blocks down the road. So again, we've passed by this home so many times. Can't wait to show it to you guys. We'll see you there. Situated in a friendly neighborhood, this home is conveniently located near parks, schools, local amenities, and even Lake Texoma, making it an ideal place for families or those wanting to enjoy the lake life.
Picture it. You're coming home after a long day of work, ready to relax, ready to unwind. You come home, put your swimsuit on, ready to enjoy your backyard oasis. As Mike said, this is the premier home in Denison, Texas. Let's go check it out.
All right, guys, so as you step inside, you're greeted by a massive open concept floor plan and stairs that lead you to the additional bedrooms. To your right, you have this multi-purpose space that can be used as a home office, a game room, an extra living area, or a formal dining area. And then to the left of the front door, you have this massive living room. This area features a cozy gas fireplace, decorative lighting, plenty of natural light, decorative wood beams, crown molding for that extra layer of character, charming plantation shutters for the windows overlooking the front yard. We're gonna come back to the primary bedroom in just a second. Let's go see what the kitchen looks like.
This kitchen offers plenty of storage space, cabinet space, stainless steel appliances, and a large island with extra storage. And just off the kitchen is a convenient breakfast nook looking over your backyard pool, which makes it the perfect space to gather with friends and family. And speaking of extra spaces, you have your second living area, large enough to fit 2 large sectionals with built-in cabinets, a second brick gas fireplace, or even extra room to have a toy and play area for the kids right off the kitchen.
And now finally back to the primary bedroom. This is the perfect escape, spacious enough for a king-size bed and plenty of additional furniture, all while offering an abundance of natural light coming from the backyard. And if you're crowded in the morning in your primary bathroom, trying to get ready for the day, hitting that rush hour traffic, you'll have no issues with space here. The ensuite bath creates a spa-like experience with separate vanities, a shower, a very relaxing soaking tub. And like I mentioned, space is not a problem in this house at all. Your closet is the size of most bedrooms, offering plenty of space for shoes, all your clothes, handbags, laundry, you name it. This is a family full of 3 young boys, so these are decorated. We have an additional bedroom on the first floor. It has plenty of space for a queen-size bed and the kids' latest action figures, toys, or it can be used as a perfect guest quarters for the in-laws that may not want to walk upstairs. And then upstairs, we have an additional office space plus 2 extra bedrooms that are generously sized and offer plenty of space for queen or maybe even a king-size bed.
This spacious outdoors is perfect for both entertaining or having a relaxing night outdoors. It's complete with an in-ground pool and plenty of space for grilling out with friends and family. And it looks over 2 heavily treed acres, perfect for a trampoline in the back or the best hide and seek parties your kids could possibly have.
Now let's go take a look at the local attractions and everything that Denison, Texas has to offer. Let's start with some of the top attractions in Denison, starting with one of the most popular downtowns in all of Texas. We have a lot of shopping and dining options to choose from right here in downtown Denison. For shopping, we have antique shops to boutiques to bridal shops to upholstery. There's something for everyone. And ladies, if you're in the hunt for some great boutique finds, you're in for a treat here, as there's a wide variety of boutique shops, starting with Blue Ryan Boutique, Ray's Mercantile, Monarch Boutique, Serendipity, Ray of Sunshine, Vintage Victoria, and much more. And there isn't a large selection of commercial stores in Denison, so if you need to shop at a larger chain, just south of Denison is over at the Sherman Town Center. You are bound to either have a great shopping experience or get overstimulated, as there's a multitude of options for shopping and dining. Sherman Town Center has over 49,000 square feet of retail space and is one of the largest regional shopping centers between DFW and Oklahoma City. It has a variety of retail stores to choose from, including Target, the Home Depot, Best Buy, TJ Maxx, Hobby Lobby, and Books A Million. And then for dining, Rustico is a very popular spot in downtown known for its flavorful chef-crafted cuisine. Traditional dishes like chili relleno, carne asada, and seafood enchiladas are what keep their customers coming back for more. And then Stafford House Provisions is a restaurant and wine bar located right here in the historical Katy Depot. They have exceptional wines with an even better dining experience. And then for an upscale and elegant dining spot in Denison, we got 34 Chop House, which is a great date night. They specialize in premium steaks and chops and have a variety of delicious sides and appetizers. And then, like we've mentioned, downtown Denison has gone through some major renovations in the last couple years, also called Designing Downtown Denison, or D3. With major upgrades, new businesses, redesign, and growth, downtown is a must-visit destination. Whether you're looking for shopping, dining, fun, or relaxation, you are sure to find something to do. And then lastly, for a couple social experiences, don't forget about the Horses Acts. Whether you're into axe throwing, pool tables, or arcade games, there's endless fun to be had. And then also the newest and latest attraction in downtown is Copacetic Cowboys. Savor the charm of the Western Cocktail Lounge and Bar, where you can indulge in a selection of spirits and enjoy house-made snacks. And if you've watched my previous videos, you know that Denison touches Lake Texoma. The lake is one of the largest man-made lakes in the United States with 580 miles of shoreline and consists of 89,000 acres. This is a staple of the North Texas community and a great tourist spot while also being huge for the local economy. From the shores of Oklahoma to the shores of Texas, there are several options for outdoor activities to participate, including fishing, camping, hiking, kayaking, golfing, boating, jet skiing, swimming at the beaches, playgrounds for kids to enjoy, and a water park on the Oklahoma side. And then if you're into scoring big, you're less than 30 miles away from a world-class casino over at Choctaw Casino and Resort. This is on the very southern tip of Oklahoma and one of the biggest draws for local attractions. We have 100 table games, 7,400 slot machines, a state-of-the-art poker room, 16 restaurants, 6 movie theaters, a massive arcade, and a sports bar. And for the weekend resort getaway, stay at the Sky Tower where you can enjoy private cabanas, 1,700 hotel rooms, and a pool that you'd only see in Las Vegas, built by a local pool builder that grew up right here in North Texas. And like I mentioned, the nightlife is a world of its own too, with a history of big name entertainers like John Legend, Luke Bryan, Maroon 5, Blake Shelton, Dolly Parton, and even Jerry Seinfeld. Now let's take a quick look at the parks and recreation that Denison has to offer. There are several parks in Denison to enjoy, and many of these include fields, pavilions, and even indoor spaces to enjoy. Starting here at the Texoma Health Foundation Park, THF is a 66-acre park for residents to enjoy outdoor physical activities, and it promotes the overall health and wellness of the community. It has softball and baseball fields, soccer fields, sand volleyball courts, playgrounds, a splash pad, and pavilions. Personally, my family and I have walked this park many times over in the trails behind the trees. It's an incredible scene here, and you can get some great workouts in while you're at it. And then over at Forest Park, it's right next to downtown, has a playground which is train themed and a splash pad for the kids to enjoy. There's also a stage located over at Heritage Park, just a couple blocks over in downtown, where Music on Main is held during the summer months. Music on Main is free live entertainment for the community to come and enjoy. And then now we're here at Waterloo Lake. This is one of my favorite areas in all of Denison. This connects to a couple parks right behind me. We have the Katy Trail located at Waterloo Park. Katy Trail is being developed into 2 phases and has benches, bicycle repair stations, drinking fountains, and is pet friendly. This park includes a multitude of amenities, including 221 acres, and includes baseball and softball fields, a lake, fishing pond, playgrounds, restrooms, ping pong tables, ladder toss, cornhole boards, pickleball courts, chess and checker tables, pavilions, sand volleyball, dog parks, kayak and paddleboard rentals, hiking, walking, and biking trails. So as you can imagine, this area has a lot to offer. I've grown up playing over here, getting into a little bit of trouble. We're not going to talk about that on this video, but I love this area of Denison. And with all the local attractions that Denison has to offer, you know that we must have a pretty strong sense of community. So if you haven't watched my videos in the past, if this is your first one, let me be the first to tell you that Denison has been growing like crazy lately. This area sits as far north as you can get in Grayson County, right before you hit the Texas and Oklahoma border on Highway 75. Denison is considered to be the far north Dallas area and is about 93 miles from Arlington, that hosts the AT&T Stadium for Dallas Cowboys games and many major concerts throughout the year, Globe Life Field for Texas Rangers games, and Six Flags in Hurricane Harbor. You are 75 miles from downtown Dallas for many networking events, American Airlines Center that is home to the Dallas Mavericks and Dallas Stars games, and many other major events throughout the year, and about 78 miles from DFW International Airport. Currently, Denison has a population of just under 27,000 and is expected to double in the next few years with the new developments coming to the city. After taking into consideration the public schools, housing, nightlife, crime and safety, weather, jobs, cost of living, diversity, all of that, Niche.com has graded Denison with a B+ overall. So guys, this is 3430 Crawford Street in Denison, Texas. Like I said, this is the premier home in Denison, offering 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, over 3,800 square feet of living space, nearly 2 acres of pristine land, a backyard oasis that you could see in a magazine, all for $935,000. If you have any friends, family, or even if you want to come take a look, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. All of our contact info is in the description below. And lastly, if you want to see what another great North Texas suburb is like, or one of our many listings for sale, check out this video by clicking here.